All right, so this is Popcorn Challenge Part 2. We are going to do the savory and spicy head-to-head against each other, and then we'll take the the best ones on the top of those, and we're going to verse the sweet category. But Part 2, we're going to start with the savory and sweet, and we have our 3 judges here. We have Lexi, and then we have Faith, and we have James. So they're going to taste test everything, write down their winners. We have not predetermined any of the winners, so it's totally random. Let's see who wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
For round 1 of the savory bracket, we got bacon cheddar and dill pickle. Bacon cheddar.
Bacon cheddar.
Whoa, that's a flavor.
Oh man, that's good.
That's
Really good.
That's a
Tastes
lot
like
of
bacon.
flavors.
As soon as you put it in your mouth, it tastes exactly like bacon. That's really good.
That's really good.
I do like that.
But it tastes like a dip, like a bacon cheddar dip.
Yeah, I like that.
That's strong.
Next one.
That's real. If you like flavor, dill pickle.
Alright.
Woo.
Oh,
This is gonna be hard. These are really
these
good.
are really good.
These are both really good. Man,
You alright, James?
like this one's a really good bacon taste, but this one's just like the sour that I really wanted. Like I like.
Like the vinegar flavor?
Yes.
So hard.
Yes.
They're so good.
Man, I love this.
Oh! We should not have put these against each other.
Yeah.
All right, you're going to have to write down who wins.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with this one.
What one will it be? Bacon cheddar or dill pickle?
If you like pickles and you like bacon and cheddar, these two. They taste good together too.
Alright.
Dill pickle.
Oh,
Bacon cheddar.
bacon cheddar. I like both of them. They're so
Here.
good.
Hold on. I have to try this. I have to try
He's
this.
going to do a combo.
That's what I just did.
That is perfection. That is amazing. I love that.
Okay, now we have ranch and extra cheddar.
Ranch.
Ranch.
I'm trying this.
It looks a lot
It,
like
it looks like dill pickle,
yeah.
but
Okay.
Tastes like ranch.
that's
That's
good.
ranch.
Ooh, that aftertaste though.
These are like a lot more
Oh, man.
fluffy
The ranch is very strong.
because we don't
But I
have all
like
like the chocolate and like the kind
Yeah.
of glaze.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely more softer.
Yeah.
More
Maybe
soft.
just like
More
the seasonings, because all these have a lot of seasonings on them.
More soft.
Alright.
More soft.
Next one is extra cheddar.
It's pretty good.
That's really good.
Wow.
It tastes
Yes.
like when you get the Boy Scout like popcorn
Oh yeah.
from the extra
Oh yeah.
cheddar.
Alright. That's
Good
ready to
luck.
vote?
Oh yeah.
This one's not as hard, I don't think anyway. But they're both really good.
Yeah.
I don't know. They are really good.
They both have very different flavors. Like,
Definitely. This one has a lot more seasonings on it.
All
I
right.
think
Ranch.
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 Wow.
Yes. I like ranch.
We do like the ranch. All right. Next up, we got ourselves white cheddar versus bourbon bacon caramel.
Alrighty.
Interesting.
White cheddar.
White cheddar.
White cheddar.
It almost tastes like dill pickle and ranch mixed, but like it's
It's a
very
caramel.
light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
It's really good.
I like
It's
it.
very good.
It doesn't have kick you in the face flavor. It just has a
Not at
nice,
all.
Yeah.
tasty flavor.
Yeah.
Just has the nice taste.
Alright.
All right. Now I'm excited for this next one.
Let's see.
I think you're excited just because it has bacon in it.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely more sweet than the other ones.
It's a
Oh,
lot
yeah.
more sweet. Yeah.
Oh,
But it
but
felt
the
like a little bit
aftertaste.
spicy.
What about the aftertaste?
That's weird.
Oh, that is
a good weird though.
yeah.
Like,
That is interesting because it's a bacon flavor mixed with caramel, so you got that
Yeah.
sweet
Yeah.
caramel with like that, just the
Kind of
normal
stings your
bacon.
tongue a little bit.
I kind of like that.
All right, let's
Pretty
go.
good.
All right.
Which will it be, white cheddar or bourbon bacon caramel?
Right.
Ready, James?
Oh yeah. Bourbon bacon caramel.
White cheddar.
White cheddar.
Mm.
I like it more.
White cheddar wins it.
This round we're getting a little spicy. We got some jalapeno cheddar and Southwest habanero.
Habanero.
Try the jalapeno cheddar. Mmm. Oh,
Good taste. Oh, and there goes the
Oh,
spice.
spicy.
That's what I like.
Ugh.
I like
That's
spices.
spicy.
I like spices that just burn my
That's
face off.
spicy.
That's the way. That's the way to do it right there.
Is it too overwhelming or are you okay?
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Spicy.
That's so spicy.
James is loving it.
That is good.
This is spicy.
That is really good. Because it just burns your face
Like it
off.
only
and I
takes
love
like
it.
2 seconds for it to just
Yeah.
stop burning.
It's a quick burn.
That's spicy. Okay, so we went to habanero.
Hold on, let that calm down for a moment.
I know.
So
If
girls, you don't usually eat spicy.
I mean, I eat like some spicy stuff, but I don't like just eat jalapenos for fun. So
Yeah.
it's spicy.
I do.
Drink some more water if that might help you a
It's
little bit.
calming down. So
It's calming down.
if you like
calming down.
spicy,
Oh yeah,
This is way to go.
definitely.
because even if
Definitely.
like you like spicy but you don't like certain flavors of spicy, this is good because it's like kind of
Right.
cheddar.
If you're like me and you don't really care about the taste, you just want a good burn, then this is the one you want. Like that's good.
Alright.
That's good.
Ready for habanero?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully it's not spicy. Mmm.
That had a good taste.
Oh, this one's got a better taste.
It's more spicy.
Oh yeah, that's the way to do it.
Which is spicier?
Oh, that one. That one by far.
Southwest habanero is spicier.
Can we just
So
vote?
good.
We're gonna have to run off and get some milk.
I feel like I'm breathing fire.
James is loving it.
There's a lot of
Oh,
people
yeah.
that love spicy.
Yeah, it's too spicy. If you like spicy, these are the way to go.
Woo! That is good. Like it's getting me to like sweat and stuff, which
Okay,
is
go.
the way I like it.
Nope.
Southwest habanero. Oh yeah.
Jalapeno cheddar.
Jalapeno cheddar. All right.
That's good.
Okay, now that our faces are done burning, we are gonna try ranch and extra buttery. So extra buttery is one of our all-time best sellers, and then ranch, we're gonna go against ranch because that was one of our favorites.
All right.
The bracket was a
try-
little uneven.
Yeah,
So.
let's try
Ranch
ranch
first.
first.
No,
This
I
is
like
really
this one.
Ranch is good.
And I can eat it without starting
Ranch
to
is.
cry.
You wouldn't think. You wouldn't think it would be a good flavor because ranch. Oh, that's kind of weird, but it tastes so good. It
If
tastes
you're
so
worried
good.
about it just tasting like ranch dressing, it's more like it's just seasoned.
Yeah, like
and
ranch seasoning, and
Like
that's.
the like Hidden Valley ranch seasoning. That's what it tastes like
All right.
on there.
good.
Okay, now extra buttery.
Ooh,
That's good too.
It's
that is
extra
very
buttery.
buttery. Well, that's good.
Does it taste like movie popcorn?
It does if you have a movie popcorn and then you just coated it in cheese or not cheese butter.
But
just
like
coated
it's not
it in
as
stuff.
like the greasy like
Oh, no.
too
Yeah.
much butter.
No, like it's well done.
All right. Ready to vote?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ranch against extra buttery. What will it be?
Okay. Ranch.
Ranch.
Ranch. Like it.
Sweeps the
Oh, yeah.
board.
Alright, judging from the last round, I am ready for this one. We got buffalo wing versus jalapeno. Buffalo wing was our buy this
We only have one.
because it's one of our best. Yeah, we only gave the girls one because of their reaction.
Of the jalapeno cheddar.
But first, we're gonna start out with buffalo wing. Oh,
That's good.
It has like a little bit of spicy, but not
Yeah.
like.
Not
it's
like
not overwhelming like the
not
other
like
one.
the habanero.
This is the type of spicy as if you like the flavor.
Yeah.
This is the type you go for. Because it's a
good.
mild spicy, just enough where it's there. But, man, it tastes good.
Like a buffalo wing.
Yeah, pretty much.
Probably 'cause it's called buffalo wing.
All right,
And now,
jalapeno.
one of my personal favorites.
Jalapeno cheddar.
I'm so warm in my mouth already.
Mmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Took a minute.
Took a little bit.
Man, I love
You
that
put
spice.
water in your mouth with it, it's not as bad.
So it's not that bad.
No, yeah.
I mean, but like
This would be in between if you got the what was the other one?
habanero.
Habanero. Okay, so this would be like the mild but good taste. This is a kind of in between, like it's a decent heat and pretty good taste. But then the habanero is you just want to burn your face
Yeah.
off. You want to ingest lava. Is what you
Yes.
want to eat.
Okay, let's vote, guys.
Alrighty.
All right.
Buffalo wing or jalapeno cheddar, which will win?
Ready?
Buffalo wing.
Buffalo wing.
Buffalo wing.
Awesome.
Sorry, my hand is in the entire time.
Buff wing.
All right, buffalo wing. All right, so our final four for the spicy and savory category are bacon cheddar, ranch, white cheddar, and buffalo wing. And we're going to put those head to head up against our sweet four winners. And we're going to see which one is going to be our top dog in the popcorn category. So make sure you watch part 3 of our popcorn challenge to see which one wins. And remember, you can buy all of these flavors at hookedonpickin.com under Bell's Gourmet Popcorn. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.